Watch Series 9 with our most powerful chip ever in Apple Watch, a brighter display, and a convenient new way to interact with your watch. Apple Watch Ultra 2, our most rugged and even more capable watch, now featuring Apple's brightest display ever. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, now with Dynamic Island, an incredible camera system featuring a 48 megapixel main camera and the power of A16 Bionic in a gorgeous new design. An iPhone 15 Pro in titanium for a durable, light, and stunning finish. With the new A17 Pro, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone, a customizable action button, and our most pro camera system yet, featuring a 5x telephoto camera. These are the best and most capable iPhones we've ever made.
This is by far our best iPhone lineup ever. With Dynamic Island across the iPhone 15 lineup, incredible new camera systems, and powerful features that you'll use throughout the day. And the iPhone lineup starts at just $429 with iPhone SE.